everyone, welcome back to another episode of JISMO Science Experiment with me, Muji sensei. Today's episode, we will be doing an episode of Vortex. So what is Vortex, everyone? Do you know what is Vortex? Okay, so I will show you what is Vortex. So in this cup, look at this, I'll make a vortex. Okay, so this is, oh, it's spinning. Do you see the spinning in the middle, everyone? That is Vortex. Okay, so do you know what is the usage of Vortex, or where do you see Vortex in your daily lives? Okay, please comment down below. Alright, so do you know a useful way of using Vortex? Okay, so in today's experiment, we will do something useful with the Vortex. Okay, so in today's experiment, we will need a piece of straw. And then we need blue food coloring, and then an empty bottle, an empty wash bowl, and last but not least, we need some water. To do this experiment, firstly we need to put the food coloring into the bowl of water. Please drop only 4 drops of the food color, okay? Only 4 drops. So got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. After that, we will mix this well using the straw. Okay, so after we mix this well, it will turn into some light blue water. Okay, so after we get this light blue water, okay, we stop mixing. So now we will fill this empty bottle with this blue water that we have mixed. Okay, so we will pour this slowly, one by one. Okay, everyone, make sure that it is almost or full. Okay, almost full or completely full. Okay, this is enough, everyone. You will repeat this step to make 3 bottles of filled blue water. So I now have with me 3 empty wash bowls and 3 bottles. Okay, and I will try to empty these bottles with 3 different methods. The first one, we will use the Vortex. Okay, and then the second one, we will do it with the upright method. And then the third one will be slightly tilted. Okay, so please pick which one do you think will flow the fastest and will empty the quickest. Okay, everyone, so we will do these 3 experiments at the same time. Okay, everyone, so today I have here with me 2 assistants to help me conduct today's experiment. We have Sita-san.
Hi.
And Vicko-san.
Hi.
Okay, everyone, now we need these materials. Ta-da! So we need bottle with water, and then we need a wash bowl. Okay, everyone, so we need 3 to demonstrate 3 different experiments. Wow, Vortex is the fastest. Do you know why, everyone? Okay, so Vortex is the fastest because there is a smooth exchange between the air and the water leaving the bottle with the Vortex, and not with the upright because the bubbles are going up. Okay, so to demonstrate the exchange of the water and the gas, I will use a straw and the bottle to demonstrate their exchange and why the Vortex exchanges very quickly and smoothly. Okay, everyone, so I have here with me a bottle and then filled with the blue water, and then I stick the straw here to simulate the funnel in a vortex. Okay, I will flip this bottle, everyone, and then you will see what happens when we have this straw as the funnel for air. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was fast, right? Okay, so this straw acts as the funnel for air to get into the bottle and water to come out. So it is not obstructed. This flow is so smooth that air and water can exchange smoothly. Okay everyone, so that's it for today's experiment. How did you do at home? I hope you succeed. If you do, please comment down below on the comments how it went at home. And then please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications, like, and share to your friends so that they know how to do this experiment. Okay, so I'm Muji Sensei, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!